Mastering possessive pronouns in relative clauses. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic in English grammar. We're going to look at how to use possessive pronouns in relative clauses and how to combine sentences using these pronouns. It's an exciting topic that will greatly enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Let's get started. Before we delve into how to use possessive pronouns in relative clauses, let's do a quick review of what possessive pronouns are. Possessive pronouns are used in English to indicate ownership or possession. They include words such as his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. It's important to note that these words can stand alone, unlike possessive adjectives like my, your, our, which need to be followed by a noun. For instance, in the sentence, "This book is mine," mine is the possessive pronoun replacing my book. Relative clauses, also known as adjective clauses, are types of dependent clauses which act as adjectives. They provide additional information about a noun or pronoun in the sentence. Relative clauses are typically introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, etc. However, when we talk about ownership or possession in the context of relative clauses, we use possessive pronouns. Here's the exciting part. How do we use these possessive pronouns in relative clauses? Let's check it out. Imagine you have two separate sentences. 1. I have a brother. His name is Bob. You can combine these two sentences using a possessive pronoun in a relative clause like so. 2. I have a brother whose name is Bob. In this case, whose is the possessive pronoun that helps us link the two sentences. Now let's apply this knowledge to combined sentences. Here are a few more examples. Separate sentences. She is reading a book. The book's author is J.K. Rowling. Combined sentence. She is reading a book whose author is J.K. Rowling. Separate sentences. You met a man. The man's dog is very friendly. Combined sentence. You met a man whose dog is very friendly. Remember, the key here is to identify the element of possession or ownership in your sentences and then use the possessive pronoun, whose, to combine them. That's it, folks. I hope this video has helped you better understand how to use possessive pronouns in relative clauses and how to combine sentences using these pronouns. It's a valuable skill that will enhance your English fluency and help you sound more natural. Keep practicing and, as always, happy learning!